नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome every one of you, visitors, viewers, disciples, devotees, sitting with us all over the world. Whatever may be the purpose you are here, to listen or to get initiated or to judge or to poke, I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today I will move to the next initiation. I was explaining about the agamas, the fundamental principles of existence. Your existence as individual self or your existence as part of the society, your existence as part of your family, your existence as part of your community, your existence as part of your country, your existence as part of the humanity, your existence as part of the cosmos. In every level of existence, there are some fundamental principles to manifest what you want as reality. Mahadeva, Sadashiva explains this science as agama. So fundamental principle today you need to know for this today's initiation. Understand. See, in the Mahadeva Leelarnava, Shiva Leelarnava, there is a beautiful compilation of Shiva's Leelas, Shiva Leelarnava. One is about Madurai, one is about Tiruvarur, one is about Tiruvannamalai, the various chapters. Please be very clear, they are not mythology, no. It is subjective science. Subjective science, understand? Nothing myth about Hinduism. Nothing is myth or mythology. When there is so much of evidence, tons of evidence, geographically, biologically, botanically, astrologically, establishing the authenticity of the Puranas, how can you call them mythology? No. Subjective science. Because you forgot the subject, don't think science is false. No. Because you did not study, don't think logic itself is wrong. No. This whole Shiva Leelarnava, beautifully Sadashiva reveals, in every time he assumes the form to manifest certain power, he exemplifies the expression of certain sacred secret. For example, he comes to Madurai and exemplifies the truth and manifests a power. I'll give you one example of one story recorded Mahadeva comes to eat, which is called puttu in Tamil, a breakfast, roughly equivalent to dry idli or powdered idli. That's the way I should call it. Powdered idli. He comes down to eat puttu from a old lady devotee, and then he demonstrates the power of all pervasiveness, where the Pandya tries to beat, Mahadeva with his ruling staff, which still has the mark. During that incident, Mahadeva demonstrates the power of all pervasiveness. The stick which has hit Mahadeva's back hits the back of all the animate, inanimate beings. Stavaram jangamam vyaptam. Animate and inanimate. Whole thing experiences that stick. Understand the power he manifested in that Leela is Stavaram Jangamam Vyaptam. And the sacred secret he demonstrated in that Leela. He comes down to eat the love. Understand not the pit, but the love. In your life, if you decide, you will eat only, you will perceive, enjoy, receive only the emotions, not the objects. You won't care about the matter, but about the experience. You will always be radiating the all pervasiveness. Understand? Whoever decides, I have nothing to gain from this world, I am here only to receive and give the love, nothing else. He receives the love of the Vandi, gives her the completion of feeling fulfilled. Neither pity is big thing for him, nor the work he is supposed to do he is doing. He does it in a different way. The story beautifully says, he puts the semmad, means his turban, for his head and lies down. But the ministers are asking him, hey, put the sand and stop the Vaigai, build the embankment. He says, fools, you don't know from where the water is coming. I am covering from where water is coming. Hey, I am covering the source, fools. I am doing my job. You don't understand. It's coming from here, so I have to cover it here, not there. தலைபெருகும் கங்கையை தந்துணியால் கட்டி அலைபெருகும் வைகையை அடைத்து வைக்க முயன்றான். புரியா குலை பெருத்த மூடர்கள் தான் விரும்பும் வேலை செய்தலே வேலை என்று நினைக்கும் Ariyattanam. He does the job exactly how it should be done because he knows the source of the problem. He is stopping the water from the source. But these fools are forcing him to work as they think what is the solution. They think dumping the sand on the banks of Vaigai is the solution. That is the job he is supposed to do. But only he knows where it has to be tied. He demonstrates perception as useless, immaterial. Listen carefully. If you decide to operate only based on the pure emotions, not matter based, means you are the force which drives you. Instead of fear and greed, if you change the fuel to love, you will manifest the power of all-pervasiveness. Love is the fuel for you to experience oneness. That is what he is showing in that one incident. Each incident, he personifies one sacred secret and he manifests that power which is expressed by that one sacred secret. If you want to manifest the power of all-pervasiveness, practice the sacred secret of love being your driving force, not fear or greed. That will establish you in oneness and that will manifest the all-pervasiveness power. Today's initiation will be the manifestation of length dimension, one of the third eye powers of the body scanning, one of the powers of the Anandagandha healing. All these three intensely all these three to manifest in you decide enriching and causing everyone's life with integrity, responsibility and commitment. That is the sacred secret you need to practice. Listen. I am receiving messages. I am having initiation, Swamiji. I am manifesting power. Sometimes it is clicking, sometimes it is not clicking. It means you are still in the mood of dating, not in the mood of permanent, settled, long-term relationship. Still you are in the mood of, let me see how works. No. Sadashiva is not available for dating. He is available only for a permanent, eternal relationship. The whole modern day society has become so cheap and unstable. It is no more, even in ordinary life, it is no more husband and wife relationship. It is all about boyfriend, girlfriend. I know even 40 years, 35 years before, workers for generations they will be working in same house. The house in which I was born and brought up, third generation. He, his father, his grandfather, all the three were staying in the same house, my grandfather's house. His grandfather, his father and grandfather. 3 generations they were serving. Workers used to be that loyal, and the masters also will be that loyal to them. I have seen even an ordinary, so-called ordinary relationships so stable, so trustworthy. Now it is all, even marriage is only no more husband and wife. It's all boyfriend, girlfriend. By law, you can't keep people together. Only by understanding you can keep together. Unfortunately, the whole society is trying to function by law. No. Law can separate, not unite. For uniting, a different logic need to be operated. It is instability, the fundamental reason for feeling so insecure. All the psychiatric disorders will be there as long as you fellows learn stability to the integrity. So brand everything good as regression. Understand? Every logic has its own power. Gandhari, you may blame her for 1,000 things. She did not bring up her kids properly. She is a failed mother. You can blame whatever you want. But her integrity to the husband, it developed as such power, even Krishna could not withstand in front of her curse. Even an incarnation has to collapse in front of her words. Understand? This is the country of integrity and stability. The society derives its stability from the integrity of the individuals. Understand? Bring responsibility in your enriching and causing. You will see the intensity in your power manifestation. Responsibility in your enriching and causing. You decide. It is your integrity, your responsibility, your stability. That is going to manifest as powers in you. Understand? The sacred secret you need to practice is integrity to responsibility of enriching and causing. If you feel you want to manifest this power more strongly, become a committed causer. Sambhavana is Kailash currency. It is a pride you receive. Nothing wrong in it. It is not currency, it is Kailash currency. Because it is a sambhavana. It is the appreciation of your being. Your being is appreciated by Lakshmi. for being a right Shivagana. So develop responsible, enriching and causing thought current intensely. You will intensely manifest all these great powers of length, body scanning and healing. This will manifest so intensely. You will be able to do all this remotely. You will be able to perform spiritual surgeries remotely. You will melt tumors, break kidney stones, melt the fat. You will perform even beauty surgeries just through the third eye. Just through the third eye. Understand? You can alter the DNAs just through the third eye. You will manifest intense powers of logic. Body scanning and healing. Now I lead you to the next most powerful, strong initiation of bolting these powers in your muscle memory, biomemory and bioenergy, so you can start manifesting them intensely. Let's start. Sit straight. If you have Jnananjana or Aushadha, apply it on your third eye. If you have Atmalinga, take it and keep it in your hand. Stability, commitment, intensity, that forms the foundation of Vedic Hindu civilization. We are not girlfriend-boyfriend civilization. We plan, imagine same husband, same wife for births and births and births. That is our fantasy. We are that kind of a civilization. We are a civilization gave birth to great women like Draupadi, Sita, Gandhari, Mandodari. Beauty is never only the heroines are worshipped in our civilization. Even so-called villains' wives are also given such high respect. See, the place given to Sita and Mandodari is same in Hindu tradition for women. The Kanyas you are supposed to remember, the Sumangalis, Patnis you are supposed to remember every morning is Sita and Mandodari together. You are never asked to remember Rama and Ravana together, but you are asked to remember Sita and Mandodari together. With Jnananjana and Aushadha, Atmalinga, please settle down. Let's start the initiation. You don't need to close your eyes. You can sit with open eyes, no problem. And let's start the initiation. ॐ नित्यानन्द महासदाशिवोऽहम्। ॐ नित्यानन्द महासदाशिवोऽहम्। Intensely reverberate your whole inner being with this Mahavagya. Decide to complete with all the incompletions. Om Nityananda Mahasadaशिवोऽहम्। 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 Om Nityananda महासदाशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द महासदाशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द महासदाशिवोऽहम् आनन्द महासदाशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 महासदाशिवोऽहम् Kundalini, wake up intensely. Wake up intensely in every being. Manifest intensely the powers. The Mahasadaशिवोऽहम् Om Nityananda Mahasadaशिवोऽहम् Nityananda Mahasadaशिवोऽहम् Om 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 Nityananda Mahasadaशिवोऽhम् 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 सदाशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द महासदाशिवोऽहम् 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 ॐ नित्यानन्द महा सदाशिवोऽहम् 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 ॐ नित्यानन्द सदाशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द महा 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 सदाशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द महा सदा शिवोऽहम्। ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द सदा शिवोऽहम्। ॐ नित्यानन्द महा 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 सदाशिवोऽहम् 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 ॐ नित्यानन्द महा सदाशिवोऽहम्. You can all open all the three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva intensely. Again, I want to remind you, it is your intense responsibility to enrich and cause. It is your intense commitment to enrich and cause opens your being to Mahasadashiva. Understand, Kailash currency is spiritual power. Along with Kailash currency, you receive spiritual powers. Manifest intense enriching and causing. You will manifest powers. Let's continue. Enriching and causing. You will manifest powers and Kailash currency. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Sadashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.